Such an easy trading day. Welcome back, Trader Studio, to another video. So let's get right into this breakdown. I really don't want to waste anybody's time. If you are new here, welcome to Trader Studio. My name is Rudy. I do have an identical twin brother, Robert, who also trades and makes videos on this channel. So today we're going to be looking at what we do right before market open every single morning. This is what I look for. So I'm going to go ahead and take away some of these indicators. I got an orb opening range break indicator, and then I do have VWAP on here that I look at. But mainly, we're just going to look at pivot points and then support and resistance. So as you can see right here, we're at 8:25 a.m. This is 5 minutes before market open. So what am I doing in that time? I went to the 15-minute and I looked to see where we had some resistance, and then I saw that we had this support right here. So I marked up my resistance and I marked off my support. And I dropped down to the 5 minute, and then as you can see, perfectly lines up. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is my idea in my head. I really want NAS buys. I'm overall bullish on NAS. So NAS buys is really what I'm going for. So we're going to enter once we break this resistance. Once price action breaks this resistance here and breaks this previous high, that's what we're going to do. That's when we are going to enter the buy position. And then if we're going to plan on shorting, we're going to wait for this trend line break. Once this trend line gets broken, then what I'm going to do is target this pivot point right here. Now, what I do keep my stops relatively tight. Both of these are right at a 30 point stop. Now, I will show you my exact trade. This will be verified. I will be transparent and show you that I did take this trade on 5 live funded accounts. So I'm not making a video just based off replay mode. I really did take this trade, and I'll show you. But let's just keep going. So right here, this next candle, this is 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. is my time. If this is your first time watching, this is when the market opens for me, where I am Central Time. So 8:30 a.m. We've got nothing. I have no trade here. Now I do see this pivot point right here. I'm monitoring that, seeing if it bounces here, breaks, so on and so forth. But I'm not trading because none of these have been broken yet. Let's continue. As you can see, it looks like we're coming up for buys. Boom. Now I see this candle broke this previous high, broke this resistance. So now I'm in this buy position. Let's take a look and see what happened. As you can see, we're in some decent profit now. We're up. We came back down a little. Felt like we were coming back down to my entry. And then boom, all of a sudden at 9 a.m., we did go ahead and hit that take profit. Now I did enter with two on 5 accounts, 10 total, 2 micro contracts each account, totaling over $1,500 for the day. And then I'm just going to continue playing this. As you can see, we ended up going right to almost that second pivot, and the NASDAQ had a big sell off. So that's pretty much the strategy. That is all I look for every single day. And it's very simple. It's made me profitable on my live account, like live personal account, funded accounts, taking payouts. So that's the strategy. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, for transparency purposes, this is just a screenshot of the trade. As you can see, this was on Trade of 8. You can see that I did take this exact trade. You can see all 5 of my accounts right there. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.